Welcome back, amazing learners! Are you ready to add some Arabic magic to your vocabulary today? Let's make it fun, easy, and unforgettable. I would like to remind you, dear learner, that there are videos on my channel for you to learn everyday vocabulary in our lives in an easy-to-pronounce way with repetition so you can master speaking Arabic. You won't find this anywhere else except on my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and click the like button so I can upload more Arabic lessons. Today we are going to learn the months of the year in Arabic, and trust me, by the end of this lesson, you will say them like a native speaker. Bring a notebook and a pen to learn how to write them well, and repeat with me every word I say, so that your pronunciation of the Arabic letters improves well. Are you ready? Let's begin.
شهور السنة شهور السنة شهور السنة
Please repeat with me slowly.
شهور السنة شهور السنة
We can also say,
أشهر السنة أشهر السنة
We can also say in Arabic, the word
شهر شهر
is singular, and when it is plural, we say.
شهور شهور
We can also say,
أشهر أشهر
remember these words well with me, as we will use them in some example sentences so that you can master speaking Arabic with ease. January is your fresh start. Let's make it amazing. In Arabic we say,
يناير يناير يناير
let's say it together slowly.
يناير يناير يناير
After January comes February. In Arabic, it is pronounced like this.
فبراير فبراير فبراير
Please repeat with me slowly.
فبراير 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 مارس مارس مارس
March is about moving forward. Step by step, you get closer to success. Now say it slowly with me.
مارس مارس مارس
After March comes April, right? In Arabic we say,
أبريل أبريل أبريل
let's say it together slowly.
أبريل 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 ماي ماي ماي
Say it with me.
ماي ماي ماي
May is the month of growth. Let your skills grow stronger every day.
يونيو يونيو يونيو
Please repeat with me slowly.
يونيو يونيو يونيو
June is sunshine time. Let your motivation shine bright.
يوليوز يوليوز يوليوز
Now repeat slowly with me.
يوليوز يوليوز يوليوز
July is energy and adventure. Explore new words like new places.
غشت غشت غشت
We can also say,
أغسطس أغسطس أغسطس
as you can see here in Arabic, we can say,
غشت
or
أغسطس
depending on each Arab country. For example, in my country, Morocco, we say,
رشت رشت
while in Eastern Arab countries they say,
أغسطس أغسطس.
This is the magic of the Arabic language. It is an ocean full of vocabulary, and I am here to teach you how to dive into this wonderful and useful world. September is back to school time. Perfect to focus on learning. Be a student of Arabic and never stop learning.
شو تنبر شو تنبر شو تنبر.
Let's say it together slowly.
شو تنبر شو تنبر شو تنبر.
One more time.
شو تنبر شو تنبر.
This is good. Just try and don't hesitate to try. Then you will find yourself saying it easily. Trust yourself.
أكتوبر أكتوبر أكتوبر.
Please repeat with me slowly.
أكتوبر أكتوبر أكتوبر.
October is change season. Let your skills transform. Of course, after October comes November. We say November in Arabic.
نوفمبر نوفمبر نوفمبر.
Let's say it together slowly.
نوفمبر نوفمبر نوفمبر.
This is good. Just try and don't hesitate to try. Then you will find yourself saying it easily. Trust yourself.
دجنبر دجنبر دجنبر.
Now say it with me.
دجنبر دجنبر دجنبر.
One more time.
دجنبر دجنبر.
December is celebration time. Celebrate your progress. You've come so far in Arabic. Let's celebrate your journey. Now we will do a simple exercise to consolidate what we have read. Are you ready? Take your time and think carefully about the correct answer. The first question, how do we say October in Arabic? Take your time to remember what we have learned, and even if you make a mistake, don't worry. We learn from mistakes. Very well. You are doing a great job, and remember that every attempt is a step towards success. The correct answer is
أكتوبر أكتوبر أكتوبر.
The second question, how do we say April in Arabic? Think carefully before answering. Don't rush and take your time. The answer is easy. That's good. You're trying to be comfortable, and you can also pronounce it easily like this.
أبريل أبريل أبريل.
Question 3. How do we say August in Arabic? Try to remember calmly and don't worry. This is just an exercise to consolidate what you learned with me in this video, so relax and you will find the answer. Well done this time. Be sure that with time you will find yourself remembering everything we learned. Trust yourself. Say with me.
رشد رشد رشد.
Question 4. How do we say June in Arabic? Take your time to remember what we have learned, and even if you make a mistake, don't worry. We learn from mistakes. Yes, this is the correct answer. You did it. Now try to pronounce it easily like me.
يونيو يونيو يونيو.
Bravo! You're doing an amazing job. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned something new today. Don't forget to write down the words and practice them every day. For more detailed and free Arabic lessons, join me on my YouTube channel, Learn Arabic with Sarah. Let's keep learning together.